morning. Sorry I look so rough, but I'm still in my pajamas that I slept in last night. I had a call for school at 9 a.m. this morning, so I literally just like rolled out of bed to sit in this chair to get on the Zoom call to have like the project meeting with them. Honestly, 9 a.m. meetings on a Sunday are not ideal. It is what it is. I don't mind waking up early, I just like, it takes me a while to get out of bed and like takes me a while to wake up, so that's the one downfall, but at least I got that out of the way. I submitted the paper that I needed to submit today for school, and now I think I'm done with schoolwork for the day, and it's only 10:30 I think. I don't have a clock near me, but that's a good thing, I guess, is that I'm already off to a productive start. I'm gonna start a little Sunday vlog. I don't have like too much to do today. I thought I did, but now I'm thinking about it, I'm like, I really don't. I just want to kind of like reset for the week today. Like I said, I did schoolwork to start with. I want to clean up a little bit in here. It's just getting like kind of gross and cluttery. I have an apartment tour, which you guys won't see in this vlog, but we're touring an apartment in Williamsburg. Not one that we can rent. We literally can only tour this building, and then if a unit becomes available, we get put on a wait list to apply. It's just like the stupidest rule, but don't even get me started with that. There's that. And then I also need to do laundry today. We're headed out of town next weekend, and I just want to make sure that I have outfits for that, and I don't know when I'll be able to do it this week because we leave on Friday morning, so I want to do that. So I have like a few things to do today. I just kind of like I said, want to get my life together, want to have like a little Sunday reset, so I figure I would take you guys along with me for this, and you can spend the day with me. But I think that I'm gonna spend the rest of the morning not being productive and just reading my book. I started It Happened One Summer by Tessa Bailey because this author has been hyped up so much. Everyone says she's such a good romance author and writes a bunch of novels that have like been trendy on TikTok and trendy on book YouTube and stuff like that. So I figured I'd give it a go. I'm about 150 pages into it. Honestly, don't know if it's my favorite, but I'm gonna finish it out strong and hopefully it gets a little bit better. I think I'm gonna spend the morning doing this, disconnecting from social media. I just feel like I need like an hour phone break where I like just don't look at my phone for an hour, because I feel like I've been attached to it the last few weeks and especially the last few days. I don't know like what it is, but I need a little cleanse. I need a little moment away from my phone. So phone's over there. I'm gonna sit here. Also, I didn't say this, but if you're new to my channel, my name is Hannah, and you should stick around and subscribe down below. You guys can also follow me on Instagram, and whenever I'm not posting on YouTube or I'm not filming for YouTube, I'm most likely posting on my Instagram story and just the fun things I do throughout the week and throughout the day and stuff like that. So make sure you follow my Instagram. It is always linked in the description of this video. I've also been making a lot of TikTok content recently, which also may be why I'm like tired of social media, is because I've been on TikTok so much lately because I'm like having fun with it, but also at the same time I feel like I'm just consuming so much content. So you guys can go ahead and follow me on TikTok. I actually just had a video that went like semi-viral. I don't know what viral counts for, but it has like almost 800,000 views. So I've been having fun like creating TikTok content like based off of that video. So you guys can follow me there for like more of me. If you're not sick of me on YouTube and you're not sick of me on Instagram, you can follow me on TikTok. I actually didn't get to read my book for that long because I forgot that I needed to like actually get dressed for the day and eat something before I head out. I'm heading out in like 29 minutes, but that was a really specific number for me to say, like 30-ish minutes. And I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning up in the kitchen before I go. I have a lot of dishes in the sink and I need to unload the dishwasher. So I'm gonna do that really quickly, but I figured I'd show you guys my outfit before I do all that because I will forget otherwise. And I'm also not leaving my hair like this, but for the sake of cleaning, I put it back in a claw clip. Outfit of the day. I'm wearing this super cute silk skirt from Princess Polly. I do have a discount code with them. I'm unsure if it still works, but I'm working with them again soon. So if anything, my code will be active again soon. It's HANXO20 for 20% off. And then I'm wearing this super cute one shoulder top from Aritzia. I got this top during their sale and I've been obsessed with it. I have another top that's the same material, but it's strapless. You guys have definitely seen me wear it before. I'm pretty sure I showed it in like a recent vlog. So this is the outfit, and then right now I'm wearing my favorite UGG slippers ever, but I will be wearing probably Air Force Ones because it's the city, and in the city you can't wear open-toed shoes unless you want to get some sort of like fungus on your feet. So Air Force Ones it is. It's always the default.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond.
Alright, it is 11:51. I'm getting ready to head to Williamsburg. I'm going there a little bit early before the tour because I actually want to stop by Sephora, and there's a Sephora in Williamsburg close to where my boyfriend lives. So I'm gonna stop there beforehand. I ran out of perfume yesterday. I just feel like a little bit of perfume goes a long way, especially with like making you feel as though you're put together. And I literally have 0 perfumes left. There was a point in time where I had like 5 to 6 perfumes, and now I literally don't have any. So I'm gonna stop by Sephora, treat myself, get a new perfume. Not quite sure the brand or the type that I'm going for. I'm like the least educated person when it comes to perfume. I just like buy whatever smells good and whatever is a decent price. So I'm getting ready to head out and do that. It's on my to-do list. Okay, itsy bitsy Sephora haul. Also, I'm whispering because my boyfriend's roommates are like in the living room and it's right there. And it's really quiet in here right now, so that's why we're whispering. But I did get a perfume. Unfortunately, the one on Bedford in Brooklyn only has travel size perfumes. Like, they don't have full size perfumes, which is a little weird. So that was fine with me because I can test out a perfume before spending a lot of money on it. I got the Replica Jazz Club perfume. It says that there is notes of heady cocktails and cigars. Oh, I think that's just like I don't think that those are the actual notes. That's really funny though that I thought that that was. Anyways, it smells like literally so good. This is the size of the travel size for 30 bucks. Not the best deal, but I did buy my sister a full size bottle of Replica for Christmas and her birthday. I bought her the something on the water, river something, I think. I'm not really sure, it's blue. But I've heard really good things about Jazz Club, so I wanted to try it when I went in there, and I loved it so much that I bought it. It just has like such a mature smell to it. I'm obsessed. So that was my perfume purchase. And then I also got a new concealer because I'm running out of my other one. I'm gonna try the Tarte Creaseless Concealer. I think I have the mini version of this, but it is too light for my skin right now, so I wanted to get a new concealer just because I've like been mixing a darker concealer with a lighter concealer to get my actual color, but it's been annoying. So I think this is my color. We shall see. My face is like a little bit lighter than my body just because I like use a stronger sunscreen on my face. So I think this should be my color. If not, it'll definitely be my color for winter. So excited to try this out. That's it for my little Sephora haul. Guys, best latte I've had in such a long time. We're walking to our tour right now, and we stopped by Martha's Vineyard because I wanted like a little pastry and a coffee, and I got an iced caramel latte with like 2% milk or whatever the normal milk is, and this is top 10 coffee. We'll be going back. So good. Okay, I just impromptu bought new shoes. We bought the Air Force One Shadows. I had the original Air Force Ones, but when I bought them a year ago, the person that sized my feet sized them too small. So they like are constantly giving me blisters. And today I just like had enough of it, so I bought these bad boys, and I think they're cute. They're a little chunkier than the other one, but I feel like they're a little bit more stylish and I could pair them with more outfits. So I'm happy with the purchase. Well, I spent way longer over in Williamsburg than I thought I was going to. It's now 5:30 and I'm just now getting around to doing laundry and like being back in my apartment. I didn't get as much cleaning done today as I wanted to. I'm glad I was able to like unload the dishwasher and clean the kitchen a little bit this morning, but I wanted to like vacuum and wipe things down with Lysol wipes and put things away. And I definitely still can. I just like don't have as much energy as I did this morning to do all that stuff. And motivation is an all-time low. I'm also like so sweaty and hot from being outside all day. So I'm gonna try my best to still be productive because I did it to myself by spending all day in Williamsburg even though I knew I had stuff to do over here. Yeah, I'm tired. And I also like was gonna do groceries today and order groceries and never got around to it. And now groceries probably won't be able to come until tomorrow, which is another problem because I don't really have food for dinner. Come along with me while I try to figure out my life at 5:30 p.m. because I spent all day, like granted today was a good day, like it was fun. I love walking around Williamsburg. I love hanging out with John. Like I love doing all of those things, but sometimes I just don't prioritize things properly and then it leaves me all the rest of the stuff during the week. But I was just gonna use today to like really reset and didn't end up doing that.
We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know.
I can't even say this is a post-dinner snack because I didn't have dinner. I had chips and salsa and called that dinner. But you know what? I'm an adult. And if I want to make that decision for myself, I can make that decision for myself. But I do promise that I did order groceries tonight. They're just not getting delivered until like 9 a.m. tomorrow. So I was improvising and ate chips and salsa for dinner. And now we're eating ice cream. Yeah, we don't do this regularly. We're gonna call it a special occasion so that I make myself feel better about it. I did laundry successfully. You guys watched me clean up in here a little bit. I just wiped down the table, put some shoes away, put the clothes away that were on my bed that needed to be put away, and I'm watching Kenzie Elizabeth's vlog. Once I'm finished with her vlog, I'm gonna sit here and read for a little bit. I didn't get much further into my book today. I'm only on page like 170. So I want to try to get a good chunk of this done tonight because I'm getting to the point where I'm kind of over it. Like I just need to sit down and read it in one setting or else it's gonna take me a while to get through. I think I figured out like what Tessa Bailey's books remind me of. It reminds me of like a really cheesy like Hallmark movie. Like that's how I'm watching this as I'm reading it in my head, if that makes sense. I would be really intrigued to read any of like her Christmassy books if she has any Christmas themed books, because I guarantee that you would read her Christmas book as if you're watching like a Christmas Hallmark movie. That's the conclusion I came to. Not saying it's bad, I'm just saying that if you're in the mood for like a cheesy Hallmark movie type book, she's the one to go to. Not sure I picked up the book at the correct time because I wasn't really in the mood for like a cheesy Hallmark book, but I could totally see myself being in the mood for one in the future. So I'm definitely gonna keep that in mind for her future books. There's a sequel to this book called Hook, Line, and Sinker, and it's about the main character's sister's love story. So I actually do think I want to read that one. Even though like I'm not loving this book, I'm just gonna maybe wait until I'm in the mood to read that other one so that it's a little bit more of a better experience for me. I don't know if anyone else is like that, but if I'm like not in the mood to read a specific book, it drags on for me and then I feel like I don't give it like an accurate rating because it just didn't fit the mood that I was in. So I do kind of feel bad for the books sometimes because sometimes I do rate them harshly, and I think that if I was in a different mood, in a different setting, I would have rated them a little better, but that's not the book's fault, that's my fault, isn't it? Anyways, I'm rambling, but I'm gonna go ahead and end off this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Sunday vlog, Sunday reset. Not quite sure we can call it a reset, although I was semi-productive despite the circumstances of me staying in Williamsburg for way longer than I anticipated. There's that. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
I stand alone. Show me where the